Hello fellow riders, I just got some mirrors in the mail for my bike and I'm going to show you what I got. So I ride with Harley mirrors and it's probably one of the better ones to ride with because they're used to the vibrations and everything like that. So I'll show you how I install them and just sit down and watch. Alright, I want to stop here. I want to show you what I use to clamp these mirrors on. So this is a seat post clamp that you normally find on any old cruiser or anything like that. So I just slide it on here, and then a lot of times, if it's not, sometimes, most of the time, they won't fit. So you got to put a little, rubber gasket in there, just like that. And that's how I do it. All right, and here's the finished product. It's not too bad. And these, when I ordered them off eBay, it just so happened to have that, and I was pretty excited. So, but these are very inexpensive. I think I paid maybe $23, $24 shipped. So, and they're genuine Harley. So you can get the aftermarket brand new ones. They're about $35-ish, but I don't know. I think I'd rather stick with the Harley. All right, that's it.